Today we're featuring a 2016 Honda Fit EX. It's got a clean Carfax report, no accidents. It's a Carfax one owner. It's got 24,000 miles on it. It is a certified unit. All right, alabaster silver in color. Go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Make our way down the driver's side. Everything looks good there. It is equipped with a backup camera, rear camera. A few little chips right here. Point that out to you. On the spoiler on the back of the vehicle. One little chip of paint right here on the bumper. It is equipped with the blind spot monitoring system. I'll show you that in a second. But everything looks really good on the vehicle. Just a couple little chips. Couple little chips right here on the hood and over here as well. But overall it's in really good shape. It is a certified unit. It's a 2016 with 24,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, door panels look good. You got the black on black, nice silver accent piece there. Black cloth. Driver's seat's in great shape. Does come with 2 key fobs. Passenger seat's in really good shape as well. Alright, it is an EX, so it is equipped with the sunroof. It's got Bluetooth steering wheel audio controls. There's your blind spot monitoring button. It is an automatic. HDMI, USB, and power outlet down there. Push button start. Alright, you got your touch screen with the backup camera, and we'll turn that on in a second. Okay, here's your home screen on the entertainment system. Alright, it is a touch screen. Okay, so hit that, goes the radio. Hit this, go back to the home screen. Go ahead and engage the rear camera. Okay, go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 24,119 miles. Alright, we've had the air conditioner on now for about 10 minutes, everything blowing cold there. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the back seat. Back seat cloth looks good. No problem there. Layout of the driver's eye view of the vehicle. Everything laid out really nicely. Everything's been well taken care of. Check out your storage area and trunk space here. Alright, nice rubber floor mat back here to protect the carpet. Okay, plenty of room back here. Alright, the handles here. Fold the seats down. And that really opens it up back here. Go ahead and check out the front passenger seat. Everything in great shape. Door panels look good. And check out the wheels and tires. Let's see, we have 16-inch alloys. Brand new set of tires. Alright guys, once again, it's a 2016 Honda Fit. It's a certified unit, 24,000 miles. It's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.